Hey guys, if you're like me, you cry every time you look in the mirror because you have less hair than you used to have when you looked better. Well, I'm here today to make a video to show you how you can feel better about yourself and your image and your self-esteem and make it look like you have more hair than you actually have. Because we're all losing our hair. Every person on the planet goes bald. That's science. By the time you die, you will be completely hairless, and that's okay, but it's also not okay, because nobody wants to be completely hairless, because you would go too fast going down a water slide. So what you need to do is you need to watch this video and learn how to make it look like you've got more hair on your head than you actually do. And then you'll do better in life, you'll do better in your job, you'll do better with the ladies, you'll do better with the fellas, and you'll feel better about yourself, and you'll live a better life. Live your best life with more hair. Okay, step one is stop washing your hair altogether. It's just going to make it fall out faster. So what you do is don't wash. And if when you start to smell and look greasy, then you put some perfume in your hair and some volumizer to make it look like poofed up, because that's a great way to make it look like you have more hair. And okay, so once you've done that, you move on to step two. And step two is grooming. How do you groom your hair? Don't use a comb or a brush, because that'll make more hair fall out. Trust me. I tried. My arm is getting tired. Second or third, I can't remember what step I'm at, is what you want to do is you want to find your baldest spot on your head. For me, it's this corner right here. And that's where my natural hairline part is, because that's just how God is punishing me. Because this is the way my hair goes and it looks really bad. So what you want to do is you want to style your hair over the spot that looks bad. And then, oh crap, I've got one over here too. Okay, so style it over both of the spots, and you want to just push it down and to the side and down, and then boom. No one can tell you're losing your hair, and your bald spot looks like it's covered with natural hair that grew right out of it, and no one can tell that you're getting old and ugly and that you hate yourself. So, and it looks pretty good. I gotta say, this is a very stylish look. This is hip. This is with it. This is the times say that this is a good style, and it always will be. And everybody's gonna look at you and think, "Wow, that person's good looking with a lot of hair. I wish I could make my hair look like that," but they won't know how unless they watch this video. So that's my foolproof method for making it look like you haven't lost as much hair as you did, and now you're gonna feel better about yourself. And also, if you can grow a nice beard like this and then comb that over the bald spots in your beard, I would comb this up because my cheeks don't have good coverage. So what I usually do is I comb my beard up and then down and then up, and my hair goes here and my hair goes here, and then I look really good and I feel good about myself too. And that's how you make it look like you're not losing your hair anymore. And you look younger and you feel younger and you'll feel great about yourself, and other people will feel great about you, and they'll say, "Hey, you look good today. Keep up the great work. Did you get younger?" And you'll say, "Yes. Yes, I did. I got younger." Like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to it and comment on it. All the nice comments that you're thinking in your head right now, just write them down on your computer and put them on this video, and it'll make you feel better. You won't have those things inside of you anymore, and you'll let them out, and it'll be great. And share it with everybody who you think needs to look like they have more hair, because that's pretty much everybody, because we're all going bald. That's science. Thanks, guys, and have a great hair day. Oh God. Why does my arm hurt? Why do I do these things? Why can't I get a real job? Nobody likes me. Everybody thinks I'm stupid. Nobody believes my bullshit, and everybody knows that I'm really bald.
Oh, shit.